In this very quick video, we're going to see how we can use virtual RAM in order to increase the capacity, the performance of our phone. And this is going to be in Android 15, but you can try also similar options in your version if you have like older version. So what I'm going to do is just search for the settings. Usually the settings are recognizable by a little engine icon. And in my case, I'm just going to scroll down from the top to the bottom, and I'm just going to check for that. Usually it's on the bottom right here, you can see. So I can click on that little engine icon, and quickest path is to go in the search and just type RAM boost, and you can get directly in there. You have also other settings for the RAM, but in this video we're just going to concentrate on this boost. So I'm going to click, and you can see I've already activated the RAM boost right here. So if I want to turn it off, I need to restart the phone. And that's also something you need to do once you decide to turn it on. Now, basically, it's going to take some extra memory, and it's going to basically increase the speed and the performance of your phone. So this is the basic, well, the default memory of the device. We're talking about RAM memory, but you can also have a RAM boost of 16 gigabyte. This will be taken by like from other components. And I believe it's going to be like the hard disk or something. So you can decide. You can let the AI decide for you, artificial intelligence, learning from the app that you use and how much memory you usually need. Or you can set here specified. You can specify an amount right here. You can see I put the maximum. I have, I think, 256 gigabyte of general memory, so and it's not affecting my archive, my database, but it is actually speeding up the phone. So you can try it also yourself if you're curious. And that's it. This is going to be a really quick video, so it's all for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to subscribe to support us, you can do it. If you want to support us even more, join the channel as a supporter, and go and check our other video guides dedicated to Android and to smartphone and the various settings that you can apply, and also many others video guides and video courses that we publish every day. So thanks, and see you in the next guide.